Hey guys, it's Fast Jack Beckman. I drive a 335 mile an hour nitro funny car for a living. I'm working on my first car right now, which is a 68 SS 396 El Camino. I've owned the car since 1981. I'm putting it back on the street, so all that lightweight drag racing stuff just to go in a straight line, and I didn't care about stopping and I didn't care about handling, I care about all that now. And one of the first calls I made was to Baer Brakes, and today Bill and I are starting to install the kit. We ran the T4 system up front and the SS4 in the rear, so I'm going to get four-wheel disc power, and I'm going to actually get the type of stopping that some of the late model exotic cars have. I'll tell you what I really like about the Baer kit. It's a direct replacement. I'm doing a lot of custom stuff on my car. I've got a strange rear end in it, so we'll have to do some different things with brake lines. But the way their kits are designed, it's completely bolt-on. The front hubs come pre-packed with grease. You don't have to get your hands dirty. They've got dust covers on everything. Everything's thought out. The bags of hardware are all labeled. Everything makes sense. The whole design is it's a weekend project where you can upgrade your car's performance in the stopping area and not have to do any sort of fabrication. And the finished product looks awesome. I'm really excited. We got one side on, so here's the front brake kit with the T4s. And Bill pans back there, you'll see what the rear brakes look like. So this is a long-term project. I'm traveling quite a bit. I've got two little kids when I get home. But it's kind of cool to start checking things off the list here. And on the brakes, once I get the lines done, I can check that off the list. And I know when this car goes out on the street, one thing I will never have to worry about is stopping. Actually, I will. I have to worry about stopping too quick with this thing and hurting myself. But if you take a look at the back brakes, and it's just, everything looks great. And the engineering in here is, I mean, the Baer brakes are like battleships. It is so heavy duty. You look at the thickness of this rotor, it's beefier than the factory stuff, and it makes sense. If you want performance that outpaces anything that the factory can make, that's the product for you. Thank you guys.